After probably 4 times of washing my boat's tarp, it became water permeable.
Nu, žinai, man labai čia jauku ir gera, tik tai dabar tai taip atsitiko nebelabai gerai. Vis dar laša, bet dabar situacija suvaldyta. I was going to apply the water repellent here yesterday, but in the direct sun it was extremely hot, and I thought it is not a good way to apply it. So today in the morning it is not hot yet, so I'm going to do this now. So here is the roof with the film removed, and this part it looks not so very nice after all those cherry blossoms fell down. So here came my parcel from online store, here local online store, and let's see what is here inside. And here it is. I have no idea if it's really good or bad, but it has a reasonable price, and the description was quite nice. So it is supposed to cover about 18 square meters of tent. Let's see how it goes. What is interesting, the manual says it would be nice to apply 2% of vinegar to this liquid. So I'm going to use another spray bottle from Windows Cleaner and just take approximately 1/3 of this content, as it is supposed to cover 18 square meters, and my tent is max about 5 square or even less. So let's try. 2% of half a liter is 1 cubic centimeter, and if I am going to use only third of this, so it's very tiny amount, so less than teaspoon. Perfect measurement. Shake it. So it is getting hot already. So let's hurry. Soaks through very nicely. They say to use sponge for distribution. So far so good. So I need to go to the other side and to cover it also here. If to apply more in one place, it becomes white, but after some time those stains disappear, so I think it's not so very bad. Maybe it's just much more than it is necessary. So I used almost all what I prepared, and now I just need to wait and to make some tests to see if it works or not. So here it is finished. All white stains disappeared except this one, but it is not connected with this product. Okay, at this moment I'm happy. Just need to see how actually it works. And from inside I just feel it a little bit slightly wet. Now I need to make a real life test. So far so good. No dripping at all. Woohoo! I could say this is success.